Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure your Hostinger email in Gmail in 2025. It's really straightforward and I'll guide you through every step. First, log into your Gmail account. Go to gmail.com and sign in with your email credentials. Next, click the gear icon at the top right and select See All Settings. This will open the full settings menu. Go to the Account and Import tab and click Add a Mail Account. Enter your Hostinger email address and click Next. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. Enter your full Hostinger email address and password. Set the POP server to mail.yourdomain.com and port to 110. Make sure to check Leave a Copy on the server if you want emails to remain in Hostinger as well. Now, set up outgoing emails using SMTP. Enter smtp.yourdomain.com as the server, port 580 for TLS, and your full email with password for authentication. Click Add Account to finish this step. Finally, Gmail will send a verification code to your Hostinger email. Enter the code and click Verify. Once confirmed, you can send and receive emails from your Hostinger address directly in Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Hostinger mail in Gmail. Now managing your emails is much easier. Thanks for watching and check out my other tutorials for more tips.